Shit did. What's good, YouTube? Damn, I'm gonna show you how to do washing style.
Bad bitch wanna be Gucci down. Bad bitch wanna be Gucci down. Little bitch wanna be Gucci down. You pull up the city, better shoot me now. Got us out of bed, now you want a movie now.
So like, I think I'm gonna take this off first. Ooh. What the say? We're gonna take this off first and then we're gonna get to business. So, there you go. Wanna see what's going on under here? What y'all say about that? Cause I don't think I got waves. No cap. That's not alright. First thing you're gonna need for washing style is a comb. Now depending, don't laugh, but depending on how long your hair is, it's gonna decide if you need a comb or not. When I get a cut, I always get my hair cut so it's still thick. So really, I always get comb. Like, alright, this day I don't want to comb, this day I want to comb. It just depends on how I'm feeling. If I'm not woofing, I get cut to a 2.5. Sometimes I get cut to a 3. So really, I can always comb. Alright, next thing you will need for washing style is a brush. Now, this is a regular shower brush from like the dollar store. Need is shampoo. You're gonna need a shampoo. Obviously, you about to wash your hair. Duh, stupid. Oil. This is Jamaican black castor oil. I got it from the beauty supply, I'm pretty sure. I think it was the beauty supply. Or it was honestly, I don't remember. You're gonna need a spray bottle. Feel me? The next thing you're gonna need is a do-rag and a stocking cap. Now, I'm gonna explain what all you're supposed to do. Obviously, shampoo to wash your hair. Water bottles to make sure your hair wet. I forgot you need a mirror too to make sure you guys see your angles. Feel me? But the oil is to make sure that your hair stay lathered and like gives your hair nutrients back as you do it. So it's like just make it more, your hair gonna turn out more healthy in the end. It's like using shampoo and conditioner in one, basically. The do-rag and the stocking cap. You put this on before you wash your hair out, but I'm gonna show y'all how to do that. I know I said we're gonna use some shampoo. We need shampoo. You can get shampoo, but I got something special. And right here, this is African black soap. African black soap. Yeah, nothing wrong with this. This is just better. It's not shampoo, it's a soap, but it won't strip out all the natural oils out your hair like this will. Feel me? It's like it's good for your hair to wash with it. Feel me? It's good to wash your hair anyway, but it look weird. I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna do it, but that's what I'm using. First thing you wanna do before you get your wash style in is you wanna comb your hair out. You wanna comb, you know, loosen your hair up. Loosen all them hair. After you comb your hair out, it's 4 steps to a washing style, right? First step, actually, it's probably 5. Yeah, it's 5, I'm pretty sure. Or I can't count, but either way. First step is the rinse. You wanna rinse your hair out, get all the unnecessary dirt you can. First, then I can't talk. Second step is the pre-wash. And after the pre-wash, come the first wash. After the first wash, come the second wash. You wanna wash your hair at least 2 times. I do 3 sometimes when I'm woofing, but I'm gonna just do 2 today because this is a short hair method. Put hot water in the bottle. Get you a spray bottle. After you got your hot water in your spray bottle, take your oil. And put a little bit of oil inside the spray bottle. Bro, I can't talk today. Put a little bit of the oil inside the spray bottle. with the hot water. Make sure your water is hot. Back home. Finger over the lid so the water don't go nowhere. And shake it up. After that, it's time to rinse. Step 1, rinse. Step 2, pre-wash. First wash. Second wash. Time for the washing style. As you can see, my hair is wet. Comb it out a little bit. One thing I forgot to mention, when you wash your hair out, make sure you use cold water. It locks in the moisture from the shampoo. Feel me? Alright. Now, my hair is wet, but I'll put some of that hot water. Should be warm now. Now, I'm about to show y'all how I apply this. Y'all probably don't think it's soap. Y'all probably be like, ew, what is that? What is that? That looks dirty. That looks dirty. Nah, it's soap. Now get your oil, and you wanna rub it in. And you can see it makes it lather a lot more than it was before. Now you wanna grab the mirror and your brush. So now it works. Like, ew, what is that? What is that? That looks dirty. That's how you want your brush to look. If you do your washing style with a brush, that's how it should lather. Alright YouTube, I know this video a little long, but I'm just trying to show you how to do my washing style. So as you can see, I'm isolating my crown. Cause even though you're doing a washing style and your hair wet, you always want to work on your crown no matter what you do. whenever you brushing your hair, you should always find some little time to isolate your crown. And you're gonna see, surely, I'm gonna isolate this one fork that I got like at the top on the right side, you can see. Because when you're washing style, your hair is wet. When your hair is wet, it's easiest to move, so it's easiest to break forks when you do washing styles. That's why you ask any like elite waver, they'll tell you to comb and washing styles. Because those are the top two things to do to break your forks. Follow me on Instagram at KeishaLipTV and subscribe. Today. Now once you're ready for the wash style to be done, you brush for about 30 minutes with the shampoo in your head. You're tired, you're exhausted. You want to add more water and you want to put more shampoo in your head. Now this is the style part of the washing style, because there's two parts, wash and style. Obviously, duh, stupid. Now you're going to see I put the soap in my head, I put more water in my head. Now, I'm going to style it. I'm going to just run my hands through my hair, or on top of my hair, I guess you say. And then put your do-rag on, rag up, put your stocking cap on. You want to pull the stocking cap down to try to squeeze excess shampoo that you can get out your head. You want to tie your do-rag. Feel me? Once you tie your do-rag, you then going to turn the shower on. You want to turn it on cold water. You don't want to touch the hot water, just straight cold water. And then you're going to rinse it out through the do-rag. After that, you wash the style over with.
Three hours later.
I'm back. I'm gonna take this off so y'all can see the results of the washing style. See how I'm looking. I got my mirror, hold up. I got my mirror now. You gonna see. I'm looking good, y'all. You tell me. I'm looking good or what? Because I don't think I am. But not for real, I'm surprised that my crown laid down, because usually my crown don't lay down like that. Usually a washing style, my crown all over the place. I got it. Alright, YouTube, that was my short hair washing style method. Feel me? Hope y'all liked it. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'm gonna see y'all in the next one.
Baby wanna be Gucci down, baby wanna be Gucci down, little baby wanna be Gucci down. You pull up and say better shoot me now, 'cause it's not a bad, now you want a movie now.